This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so is there any doubts in yesterday's class? So I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, so in last class we have discussed about purchase voucher. In that I have taken three types of purchase: cash purchase, bank purchase, and credit purchase. And the same time I have taken here types of mode. We have done the entries with the as a voucher mode, accounting invoice mode, and item invoice mode. And these are the examples I gave in item invoice mode, as a voucher mode, and accounting invoice mode, along with the purchase returns or debit note we have done, and interstate transaction, intrastate transactions, foreign country transactions. So everything we have done here. And I took one example on services also. Then I thought yesterday sales voucher. The functional key of sales voucher is F8. See, these are the functional keys they will ask in an exam. Okay. So once I complete the tally, so after the tally completion, we will be having the test. Online exam will be there. So there they'll be asking functional keys like accounting vouchers or inventory vouchers. These are the questions you may get. And in a sales voucher, last class I told you that there are three types of sale: cash sale, bank sale, and credit sale. And here I took the examples on as a voucher mode. And in item invoice mode, we have done with the two examples. So today we'll continue. I'll take the next example on this. So, any doubts in these things? Anyone has any doubts? Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking. Is there any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let me open tally. Yeah. So in item invoice, last class I did with classmate notebook. This is an example I took and then I show the item invoice format. Now, okay, the next example, sold 5 packet of air gel pen at rupees 130 per packet by ICICI Bank. So I've taken the example here, sold 5 packet of air gel pen at rupees 130 per packet by ICICI Bank. Now I'll go to vouchers. I'll press the sales voucher. If you are in different voucher, on right side there is a sales here. The functional key is F8. You can press this, and the screen you'll get like this, the sales voucher screen. Now the party's account name is, we are doing the transaction on bank. So I'll take here party's account name is bank. And these are the dispatch details you have to enter, and it will display the party details here. And the sales ledger will be the sales account. Now I have to mention the name of the item. So what item we are selling? So we are selling now add gel pen. You can see here on right side it will display we have 10 packet of add gel pen. Out of this I have to check it out, it is there in which godown. So one,
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, for me, sales ledger is not visible.
it is a voucher, it is not ledger.
Display.
Not display ma, you should go to vouchers. Gateway of Tally vouchers. Go to Gateway of
Yes,
Tally
ma'am,
system.
but
Hmm.
after party account name, sales ledger
Yeah.
is not visible.
Okay, okay, done. Okay, go to F12 configure.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, here this option select common ledger account for item allocation.
Ma-
I'm placing the cursor here.
Which one, ma'am?
Go to F12. You go see here
Okay,
in a
ma'am.
sales voucher itself. F12. You'll get this screen, the
Yes, ma'am.
configuration screen. Select common ledger account for
Yes,
item
ma'am.
allocation. Say yes. Save this one. You can keep on enter, otherwise
Okay.
control A, you can save. You got it now?
Ma'am, it is also not this.
It's not displaying. Okay, so tell me one thing. Okay, this sales, no. Go to change mode. Is it showing name of the item or something? Go to change mode on right side. Select item invoice.
Okay, ma'am. I'm going to
You
display,
got,
ma'am.
you got it now?
Ma'am, now it's display. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Your voice is breaking actually. Okay, you got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I'll take here add gel pen. Name of the item is add gel pen. Then immediately it is asking for the godown. So I'll type here G. You can see it will show in godown 2 we have here 10 packet of add gel pen. I'll select the godown first, that is a godown 2, and in that I'm taking 5 packet of add gel pen. The rate is 130 per packet. No discount here. And immediately don't type CGST here, the next line. After this calculation line, you have to type here CGST and SGST. CGST and SGST, and we are doing the banking transaction. Give the narration
Ma'am,
as mm.
I'm not getting the value for CGST and SGST directly.
Okay, just mention this is the value. You are getting the same amount, right? 650 only.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, then you can type this amount.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to type the rate.
Not able to type.
Ah,
First, you have to type CGST.
ma'am,
Okay.
item allocation.
Item,
Allocation.
item allocation. It's not showing.
There it's jumping directly to quantity to amount.
Okay. That means in add gel pen, while creating the stock item, you didn't give the unit. Okay, do one thing in this voucher only. Don't do any. Don't go back to gateway of tally. Select this one. I'm showing here. Select this ledger. Select the stock item. Add gel pen. Just place the cursor here and press Control Enter. And you just check it out. Units what you are given.
Ma'am, packet only.
Packet only you are given. And what about this one? GST.
Everything is same. Everything is the same.
Okay, save this. You got this item allocation. Did you select the go down to? Okay, before this, you have done the purchase voucher, right? Add gel pen.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have done purchase voucher, then only it will come. Otherwise, it will not come. So you just check it out in which go down you have kept the add gel pen. While doing in purchase voucher, it is there in which go down. See, automatically it will display here.
Ma'am, go on 2.
Okay, select that. Enter 5 packet. Now you enter the rate.
Yes, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay. And add CGST and SGST. And you can give the narration and you can save. Done? Done, everyone?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, even the last week I had spoke about this to you, saying that my tally is not responding itself. So you had told me
Tally
you
is
tried
not responding.
yeah, you had asked me to reinstall it. Even on reinstalling, I'm still not able to go ahead from creating the company.
Okay. So you can able to create a company, right?
Yes, ma'am. The first class, what you thought, I was able to follow up with that. From the next class, when you
Okay.
asked about that cost category and all, from
Hmm.
that time, it is when I go to create it and I
Hmm.
put the accept and keys, it's
Hmm.
showing that Tally is not responding.
Okay. Okay, do one thing. Go to company. On the top, I am showing here company.
Okay, mom.
Go to alter.
Okay.
Okay. So you are taken state, country, everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
State is Karnataka, country is India.
Hmm.
And in this one, right side, financial year, what you are taken over there?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it shows financial year begins from 1 April 24 and books
Okay.
begin from 1 April 2024.
Okay. So now save this one.
Okay.
Control A you can press, it will save.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you got the gateway of tally screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now under master, the first option we have here create.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the accounting masters it is showing in your company?
Group, ledger, cost
Hmm.
center, currency, and voucher type.
Okay. Now you just go to show more option
Yes, ma'am.
and show inactive option.
Yes, ma'am.
There you find one option called cost category.
Yes, ma'am.
Double click on that.
Yes. Create new.
Yes, click on that.
Ma'am, I'm getting till here, ma'am, but when I
Hmm.
type over here and click
Hmm.
on accept, it
Hmm.
shows that Tally is not responding.
Okay, we'll do one example. Okay, go to cost category. You type some
Yes,
Bangalore. The name is Bangalore.
yes, ma'am, done.
Try to save that one.
If I press Alt, I mean Control A, it's again showing me the cost category creation itself.
See, this is a cost category screen. I'll take one place is Karnataka. Okay. You are getting
Yes,
same options, right? Allocate revenue items,
yes,
non-revenue
ma'am.
items. Okay,
Yes,
press enter. You
yeah.
are getting
After
accept
that,
window.
I'm not getting the accept window itself. After I press enter, directly the
Hmm.
screen goes blank and or either blank or it goes in loading mode. And after some time, it comes as Tally is not responding.
Okay. Your name?
Stuti.
Okay. And what about other? Is there any other student are facing the same problem in Tally?
No, ma'am.
Okay, only Stuti is facing the problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because I want to know the exact screen what you are getting. Do one thing. Anyway, you are in a group now. Just take a pic and put it in a group. I'll just check it out here.
All
What
right.
exactly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll move on to the next one. Sales returns or credit note. See, in the last class, I told you purchase returns and debit note. So today I'm doing one example, sales returns or credit note. So what is mean by sales returns? Anyone can answer what is sales return? So what I told for purchase returns? Okay. So sales returns are goods sold to the customers. Sorry, goods rejected from the customers to the company. So what are the goods we sold to the customers? If it is there any damage, if it is there any billing problem, they will return back to us. That one we call it as a sales returns. So I'll take one example here. Rejected two Vivo mobiles by cash are due to billing problem. Due to voltage damage. Okay. So I've taken one example here, rejected two Vivo mobiles due to damage. So this entry I have to pass it in a credit note. See, okay. So before this, I'll take one example before sales returns. Sold 5 Vivo mobiles by cash. So I am selling the Vivo mobile by cash now. You can see the same procedure. Go to vouchers. Party's account name is, we have to take here cash. We are doing the cash transactions here. Sales account. Name of the item is Vivo mobile. So in Godon 3, I have 7 numbers. I am selling 5 number. Rate is 17,000 per number by cash. So go to sales voucher. Party's account name is cash and sales ledger Vivo mobile. The quantity I'll take here 5 numbers. We are selling 5 numbers. Rate is 17,000 per number. And after the calculation line, you have to take here CGST and SGST. Then automatically it will display the e-way bill details. So I told you in the last class itself, whenever the invoice value exceeds more than 50,000, the e-way bill option will generate automatically. So this e-way bill we have to take here, like e-way bill number will be there and date, from where to where we are dispatched and shipped to, and the mode, how you are sending, everything we have to give all the details here. So this is a e-way bill, date, dispatch from Bangalore to, let me take here, new name I'll take here, transporter ID, by road, vehicle number, regular, and give the narration as being 5 Vivo mobiles sold. Done everyone?
Ma'am, can you show the EY bill details one more time?
Did you got this option e-way bill details in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
screen? Okay, press yes. Type yes over there.
Got it, ma'am.
Got it now?
And what is the IGST rate for Vivo Mobile?
It is not IGST, ma. It is a CGST and SGST. IGST rate is
Oh,
Vivo
sorry, what's
mobile. Yeah, yeah. That mobile rate I took 12%. When I'm creating the stock item, no, I took it for 12%. If you are taken 18%, it will take more. It will show more amount.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, done everyone. Okay, save it. Okay, I'll take next example. That is a sales returns or credit note. See, goods are rejected from customers to the company. So we sold 5 numbers of Vivo mobiles, and the customer is rejecting two number of Vivo mobile. Okay. The cash balance in Tally. To check the cash balance, you have to see the procedure here. In a gateway of Tally, we have here display more reports. Click on this option, display more reports, and accounts books. In account books, we have here cash or bank book. So right now in my company, I have here 10,12,703 the cash. You just see the
Ma'am,
cash
could you
amount.
say that again?
Sorry.
Could you tell how to check it?
Go back to gateway of Tally, display more reports. You got it? Display more reports.
Yes.
Okay, now account books and cash or bank book. You can just check it out how much you have a balance. So in a cash, I have here 9,42,200. This this is a cash I have in a company. Now I'll go back to vouchers. The same credit note voucher. The screen is in credit note only. If you want to activate credit note, click on this receipt. The arrow mark, you can click on this and you can select the credit note option here. Now party's account name, I'll take here cash and sales account. So name of the item. Name of the item, I'll take Vivo Mobile. In Godon 3, we have two numbers. Again, the customer is rejecting another two number. So you can see along with the taxes it will display and provide GST details. We have to give the reason. I'll just select here sales returns and give the narration as being two Vivo mobiles rejected. Done everyone? So save this entry, and again you can go back to gateway of tally and you can check it out the cash balance. Now the cash will be decreased. I'll go to account books, cash or bank book. You can see. So before it was 9 lakh 50,000 something is there. So now it is decreased. Okay. So in the last class, I took the examples on interstate. So I'll take interstate sales. Interstate sale example. Okay, interstate sales example. Sold 50 number of Logitech printers at rupees 8,500 per number to interstate customer Gujarat. So I am selling, the party will be there in Gujarat. I am selling now 50 number of Logitech printer. The rate is 8,500 and here IGST will be applicable. So before this we have to create a ledger. The ledger I am creating now. Interstate customer. Interstate customers. He will comes under debtors. State I'll take here Gujarat. GSTN number. For Gujarat state code is 24. Okay. So let me create this ledger in Tally. I'm in gateway of Tally screen now. I'll go to create ledger. So just a normal ledger creation. Interstate customer. Previously we have created interstate suppliers. And he will comes under debtors, sundry debtors. State we have to change the first. So I'm changing the state as Gujarat and GSTN number. I'll take first Gujarat state code is 24 and I'm adding the GST registration number. Save it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
for the GSC registration number, we can give anything of our own, right?
No. That will be given in government for Karnataka
No,
29.
ma'am, the starting two
Yeah.
numbers, like what you say, the
Hmm.
rest can be given as our own.
Yes. Any number you can give.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now we'll pass the entry. I'll go back to vouchers. So now you can see the screen is in credit note. So first we have to change the screen. Don't do it in credit note itself. So change the screen to sales voucher. You can press F8, otherwise right click on it, sales. So now the screen is in sales voucher format. Party's account name. Party's account name is Interstate Customers. You can see the party details, everything it will display, state, country, GSTN number, everything it will display. And sales account, name of the item is Logitech printers. So in a main location, I kept 100 number of Logitech printers. Out of this, I am selling now 50 number. Rate is 8,500 per number. It will display the total amount. After the calculation line, we should take here IGST. And eBay bill details. So dispatch from Bangalore, Gujarat. So name, everything to keep. And take it as on account. Don't take it on new reference because we are not purchasing on credit basis. So take it as on account. Give the narration as being 50 Logitech printers sold to Gujarat. Is that clear? Done, everyone? Okay, I'll save this entry. Okay, the next example I'll take here. Export 5 Lenovo laptop at rupees 55 65,000 per number for customer. So in a previous example, I took it as a foreign suppliers. Now I am taking foreign customers. So here also we have to create a ledger as foreign customers. Debtors. Country is USA. Now I have to create a ledger. I'll go to Gateway of Tally, create ledger, foreign customers, debtors, state is not applicable. Country I'll take here United States of America. Save it. Now I'll go back to vouchers. Sales voucher, foreign customers, sales account, name of the item is Lenovo laptop. So we have 10 numbers in Godon 1. Out of this I am selling 5 numbers. Rate I'll give here for 65,000 per number. After the calculation line, I'll take here IGST and take it as on account. All of you are doing. Is there any doubts in this entry? Being
Gordon, ma'am.
go down.
Gordon
Select
you have to take, ma'am.
you kept in which codon. So once I select the stock item, it will display the codon option. Type G. If you type G on right side, it will display in which codon you have kept while doing the purchase voucher.
Okay, ma'am, I got.
Hmm. And you can take the quantity is 5 number, rate is 65,000. Automatically it will display the total value. Then after the next line you have to type here IGST. After the calculation line you have to type IGST. It will display the IGST tax rate, then e-way bill, and here take it as on account. Don't take new reference or against reference. Take it as on account. Take it as on account. Give the narration and save it. Okay. The next one is stock journal voucher. See here, if you go to sales voucher, on right side we have here F10 option other vouchers. If I click on this other voucher option, you can see accounting voucher and inventory vouchers. In that you can see stock journal and physical stock voucher. Now I am going to teach what is stock journal voucher. The shortcut key is Alt plus F7. See, stock journal we can also call it as a manufacturing voucher, and this one we are using the stock journal voucher to transfer the stock item from one godown to another godown. So this is a main reason we are using, and we can convert the raw material into finished goods. We can use it as a manufacturing voucher also. So it is used to. Okay. See, It is used to transfer the stock item from one godown to another godown. So while after doing the purchase voucher, so we kept all the goods in godown 1. We used all the goods, what are the goods we are created, godown 1 to godown 4, even including the main location. So here I'll take one example. Example for stock journal voucher. I'll take like this: classmate notebook transferred 50 number of classmate notebook transferred from one godown to another godown. Okay, so this is my example. Because I didn't mention the godown name here, because I don't know you people are kept in which godown. So I'll show in my tally what are the godowns I used here. And I take the example here, 50 number of classmate notebook. You can see here the procedure go to stock journal voucher is gateway of tally, vouchers. On right side you have here other vouchers, or directly you can press F10. If I go to other vouchers, I'll get this screen. Inventory vouchers. In this I'll take here stock journal voucher. You can see this is a stock journal voucher. Here we have here two parts we have here: source or consumption, destination or production. So now the first option is name of the item. I'll take here classmate notebook. You can see it is there 50 number. I'll take this classmate notebook. Then it is showing here go down quantity rate amount. If you press space bar, the first option it will take here go down. So we kept in go down 2 we have 50 number of notebook. I'll take all 50 number. Otherwise if you want you can take only 30 or 20 numbers. Now I am taking all 50 number. Automatically it will display rate and amount because I have done the sales voucher.
Ma'am, how to get the rate?
Automatically it will display because I have done the sales voucher. If you done purchase and sales voucher, it will display automatically rate. See, these are the vouchers are interrelated. If you do the purchase voucher, you can able to do sales. If you do the sales, you can able to do stock journal like this. You're not getting the rate. Now,
No, ma'am.
have you done the sales voucher?
Yeah.
Okay. How much amount you gave when you're doing when you're selling the stock item of this one? You go back to that day book. Go back to day book. Select that sales entry. See, this is a by changing period 1st of April to and today's date in a company, the date. Open the sales entry. See, it's showing like this. Have you done this entry? And what about others? You got the stock journal voucher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll go to vouchers, other vouchers. I'm in a stock journal voucher. Name of the item is classmate notebook. In Godon 2, I have 50 number of book. I am transferring to the same classmate notebook. In destination also you have to take the item as classmate notebook. I'll take, so it is in Godon 2. I am transferring to Godon 3, or you can take main location, or you can take Godon 1. So from Godon 2 to Godon 3, I am transferring all 50 number of classmate notebook. So this is what we can do it in a stock journal voucher. We are transferring from Godon 2 to Godon 3. That means one Godon to another Godon. Being classmate notebook transferred. This is a narration I am giving now. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? All of you got this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubts? Okay, the next example. I'll take here 5 Lenovo laptop, five number of Lenovo laptop transferred from one Godon to another Godon. So I'll take your name of the item is Lenovo laptop. You can try it out with the different stock items what we have here. Dell computer is there, Logitech printers is there, Vivo mobiles are there. You can try it out with these things. So Lenovo laptop, right now it is in Godon 1. I will take all 5 quantities. I am transferring to main location. From Godon 1 to main location, I am transferring the Lenovo laptop. Give the narration as being 5 laptops are transferred. See, these are nothing but if we have a different godons in a different places. For example, I have in a BTM layout godon we have. I want to transfer some of the goods to the JP Nagar godon. So if I transfer today, like 5 Lenovo laptop, I have to mention I have to record in stock journal voucher. Okay. So what are the goods we transferred? How much? What is the quantity we transferred? Everything we have to mention in a stock journal voucher. Okay, that is what we call it as a from one codon to another codon. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay, next
ma'am.
one. Yeah. Next one. See, in this stock journal voucher, I mentioned one word is manufacturing voucher. It will convert raw material into finished goods. See here, I'll take we can see here, consumption is there and production is there. Name of the item, I'll take here petrol. So what I am doing, I am manufacturing the camphor by using petrol. Okay. So name of the item I'll take here petrol. It is in Godon 1. We have a 25 liters of petrol. Out of this 25, I'll take only 10 liter to manufacture the camphor. Now on right side, you have to type the stock item name as camphor. Now I am not interested, I am not transferring the petrol. I am just by using we are manufacturing the camphor by using the petrol. We can use the same codon or we can use a different codon. Right now I am using the same codon. By using 10 liter, I am manufacturing 150 packet of camphor. Rate I am fixing for this is 20 rupees per packet. See, here we have a raw material as petrol and the finished goods is camphor. For this also we can use as a stock journal voucher. Being 150 packet of camphor manufactured. Okay, it's clear. Any doubts in the stock journal voucher? All of you got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The next one we have here under inventory vouchers, physical stock voucher. Physical stock voucher. The functional key is Control plus F7. So any idea what is meant by physical stock?
Physically available stock.
Yes. So what exactly we have a stock without any damage that we are going to sell for the customers. So that one we have to record in a physical stock voucher. Okay. So how much stock we have here in this particular godown, we have to check it out. And this one we can also call it as a, so the main purpose of physical stock voucher is for stock reconciliation. And so here what will happen here? So it is used to adjust the stock balance and the actual stock in a godown. For example, in a tally book, I'll mention we have a 15 of Lenovo laptop. But as per my sales voucher and the purchase voucher, we have only 5 numbers. So that is what actual godown, how much we have a stock item that we have to record it in a physical stock voucher. So I'll take one example here. So before that, I'll go to here. How to go to physical stock voucher? Go to other vouchers. Here we have a physical stock, the first one. Press enter. You can see this is a screen. Name of the item, godown, quantity and amount. See, previous example have taken petrol to manufacture the camphor. We had in a godown 25 liters of petrol. I took only 10 liters. What will be the remaining quantity? Out of 25, 10 I took for the camphor. What is the remaining quantity?
15.
Yeah, 15 is remaining. Yeah. So 15. See, I have to take the godown. You can see in godown 1 we have 15 liters of petrol. But I have to mention what actual stock we have it in a godown. Think that 5 liter is evaporated or it got wasted. So I'll take only 10 liters. The godown 1 and the quantity I'll take 10 liter. Here it will not display the amount. And in narration part, I have to mention what is the reason. So I'll just give here being 5 liters of petrol evaporated. So what is the remaining godown we have? That one only we have to mention in a physical stock voucher. Okay. Save it. So is there any doubts in inventory vouchers? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Done, everyone? It is. So it is used to check between book quantity and the go down quantity. Okay.
And what is book quantity?
Book quantity means in tally book will be mentioned. We have like see book quantity is nothing but in a godowns and all they used to keep the books. What are the item they will send. So that one we call it as a book quantity. In a manufacturing business, there will be a storekeeper will be there in a godown, and he has to check every day what is the stock item he has and how many it is damaged. Everything he has to take care that one. So in that time, it will be mentioned in a book quantity. After everything is done, only we'll pass the entry in a tally.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. So next topic I'm going to start now. POS. POS is nothing but point of sale. So point of sale in other words we can say here invoice or vouchers anything. So in tally we have used here okay if I go to accounting voucher if I go to vouchers we have here these are the different types of vouchers. By default vouchers will be there. We just do the transactions. By using this POS option we can create a vouchers in tally. So to make invoices we are using the POS option, and first thing I have to create a voucher type. So I'm typing the procedure here. See here, this is a procedure. Go to gateway of tally, create and voucher type. Go back to gateway of tally, create. Under accounting masters, the last option voucher type is there. So voucher type, I'll create. I'll take here POS invoice. The name itself I am giving here POS invoice. And the type of voucher this will come only for the sales. After doing the sales only we'll give the receipt to the customer. That receipt I am going to print now. I'm going I'm going to show that one. Sales. So method of voucher numbering I'll take here automatic, or you can take manual also. I'll take prevent duplicate voucher number. Yes. Here in a printing option, print voucher after saving, say yes. Use for POS invoicing, yes. Message to print. I'll print a message like this. Thank you, visit again. And one more message. goods sold cannot be exchanged. So these are the printing message. Default print title, I'll take here invoice. And set our declaration, say yes, it will display by default declaration. So hope everyone are doing. If I'm going to create a name of class, again I'll not get the screen. So if you are doing, I'll go little slowly. Once you complete, you tell me, I'll go for this option, name of class. Because if I click on name of class, I'll get one more screen. That time I can't show back this screen. So if you are doing, I'll be staying here. You just do this one. Once you complete, you tell me, I'll go back to this name of class. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it slowly. Done? Shall I go for the next option?
Ma'am, you have to save it, no?
No, don't save, don't save. Let it be in the same, this one only. Press enter. After declaration, you got the declaration, huh?
Ma'am, I saved it.
You saved it. So we are supposed to create this name of class. Do one thing. Go to gateway of tally, alter. Gateway of tally, alter, voucher type, select that POS invoice. Now you got the same screen. Okay. Now name of class, I'll type here POS1. See here the class is POS1 gift voucher. If our company is giving any gift voucher, you can say yes. If not, no. Credit or debit card payment, yes. And check or DD, yes. So right now I'm making all the option no because I'll show one transaction in a cash. So only I'm making all these options are no. And then cash I'll select. Ledger name it will come for sales account. These are the things automatically it will come. Tax class 100% and ledger name will take CGST and one more is SGST. See here you can see default accounting allocation for the item invoice. And this is additional accounting entries, example taxes, other charges we have to enter here. That's why I took ledger name as CGST and SGST.
Ma'am, can you explain from name of class?
Type POS1. If you type POS1 over there, it will display the screen. You got it? Got it the screen? Okay. Save this one. After saving this, I'll go to vouchers. I'll go to sales. See, once I select sale, it is asking me that I am going to do for sales voucher or POS invoice. So I have to select here POS invoice. If you are doing sales voucher, you can choose sales. Now I am doing POS invoice. I'll just select here POS invoice. And the class, what we have created, POS 1, that will display. All of you are in the same screen option. All of you are able to do this one.
Ma'am, could you please repeat?
Go to vouchers. On right side, you have a sales. Click on that sales. You'll get POS invoice. You got it?
No, ma'am.
You didn't get that. Have you created POS invoice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go back to POS invoice and then alter screen.
I have created it, ma'am.
You have created, no? Okay, see
Yeah.
here, I'll show that POS invoice. Alter voucher type. Here, POS invoice. Once again, open this one. And have you created the name of class here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, open that one. Double click on it. And the main thing is you have to select your sales account under ledger name. Then only
Yes,
you'll get
ma'am, I
it.
have selected.
You have selected the same thing, it is coming there. No
Yes,
100%, CGST,
yeah.
SGST, everything. Okay, save
Yes,
this.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, press Control S, Control A.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Again, press Control A.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you go back to vouchers. In a gateway of tally screen, if we have a vouchers,
Yes, ma'am.
go to vouchers, select sales. Right side, you have a sales, right? Select this.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it now?
So I have two options now, POS invoice and sales. So should I select PO?
Yes, yes,
What should I
exactly.
select here, ma'am?
You have to select POS invoice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, selected that. So we're getting the option as class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, select POS 1.
Okay, ma'am.
So you got the POS invoice screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is a printing report we are giving to the customers. So that's why it's not necessary to enter the Godon and party's account name. But compulsory we have to enter the stock item here. See, name of the item, I'll take here classmate notebook. You can see on the screen here, automatically it will display quantity 1 and the rate along with the CGST and SGST. What we can do the changes in quantity. Think that the customer is purchasing 10 number of classmate notebook. Okay. Only the thing you have to do here, change of quantity. Select the item as classmate notebook. Hope everyone are in the same screen. And in place of quantity, it will be showing 1. You can add 15, 20, whatever it is. Change the quantity here. It will display automatically CGST, taxes, everything it will display. And down also you can see here cash 577. Keep on enter. So here cash tendered, I'll take here 600. You can see the remaining balance, how much he has to give, everything it will display. Give the narration as being classmate notebook sold. Okay. Save this entry.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I'm not able to type anything in the CGST and SGST.
No need to type here. It will display automatically once you've done the sales voucher.
No, it's not displaying automatically, ma'am.
Okay, you can type how much quantity you have taken.
I'm not
Quantity,
able to type also, ma'am.
that quantity thing.
Quantity I'm able to change, but I'm not able to type the amount in CGST and SGST amount column.
Okay, I'll come to that. See here, see everyone, this is a this is a printing invoice. You can see here, this is our company name. It is showing along with the address, GSTN number, state name, email ID, everything it is showing here. And you can see the bill number and the date of transaction, time, and one classmate notebook and the HSN code what we have given while creating the stock item, quantity 10, and rate is per book it is a 55, the total amount along with the CGST, SGST, and you can see this one, the printed message declaration, everything it will show. So this is what the printing invoice
Mom,
we
how
can
to
give
get
to the
this?
customers. You're in which screen?
I mean that POS invoice screen.
POS. Okay, I'll come back to that one. So all of you are in the same screen. Okay. Take the item as classmate notebook. Quantity, how to change? Click on this quantity option. Change the quantity. If you select any one item, it will display quantity, rate, everything. Did you change that one? Then if you change the
Yes, ma'am.
quantity, yeah, okay. Is it showing the rate, amount, CGST,
Yeah,
SGST,
yeah.
everything? Okay, now you can see here cash is there, cash tendered is there. So cash is 577. You can type here 600. You have to type manually 600. Automatically it will display the balance amount. You got it?
But I'm not able to type the amount in CGST and SGST. It's directly jumping to the cash, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, it's okay, no problem. What is the cash amount is showing here?
550.
558 is showing.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, okay, fine. So type here 600.
Yeah.
Done? Okay, it is showing the remaining balance.
No, ma'am, there is no balance showing.
There is no balance showing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the problem is, okay, do one thing. Go back to gateway of tally, alter the voucher type. Go to alter, voucher type, select POS invoice. Directly you can click this one. Place the cursor in POS 1. Press enter. Is it the same option you have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
The gift voucher is no. And cash. And is it showing cash again? Like this in a ledger account? The other option
It's
should
the
be no
same like
except
how,
cash. Sorry?
It's the same like how it is on your screen, ma'am.
Okay, the same thing, CGST, SGST, everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll press Control A. I'll just save this one. Okay, I'll go to daybook. And before that, you have passed the this one, no, sales voucher in classmate notebook. You just check it out. The sales voucher of, go to daybook, select the period. So I'm showing this one, classmate notebook entry. Here it is showing the CGST and SGST in sales voucher. You just go to daybook, open the sales voucher. In sales voucher, if it is showing CGST and SGST, automatically it will display in POS invoice. See here. And it will come here, CGST, SGST, and the cash tendered and the balance it will show. After that, it will ask for the preview option. See here we have a configure, preview, and the print option. So before taking the printout, we are going to see the preview. I'll just click on preview here, and it is showing the printout like this, the print screen. If you want to make it zoom, there is a zoom option here. If you click on this zoom option, it will display the printed one.
Ma'am, after
Hmm.
the balance, what should we do next?
Press enter.
Yeah, I pressed. Nothing is coming.
Nothing is coming. You're not getting like the screen. See, you got the balance amount.
Yeah.
You got the narration also.
No, it's not coming only.
You got the CGST, SGST.
Yeah.
Then it has to display. And
But
what about
CGST and SGST
hmm,
values I'm getting different.
different? Okay, what is the quantity you taken here?
10 only.
Then amount.
Ah, that is also 550 itself.
But you're not getting the CGST, SGST the same
Yeah.
amount.
No.
Okay, change the amount now. And what about others? Can anyone able to do that print option, printing invoice option? So while accepting the screen itself, it will ask here, preview or print. These are the things will come.
No, no, it's
So,
not coming.
okay, ma, you do one thing. Uh, you pass one more time the sales voucher entry by using classmate notebook.
Okay.
Okay, then it will come. Okay. So by this, all the inventory vouchers are completed. The remaining things I'll teach you in the next class. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent the
Thank
picture
you, ma'am.
to the screen
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I was. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Just check it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.